Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the projector model and firmware. This matters because parts and menus differ. Once done, cut power and wait a full 60 seconds before reconnecting to clear transient faults. Make sure to check lamp hours and air intakes. Dust or a failing lamp causes overheating and dim output. If you smell burning, stop. That indicates a hardware fault. These first checks eliminate common causes and prepare you for targeted fixes without wasting time on trivial steps. Now focus on lamp and signal problems because they explain most image faults. You should replace the lamp when hours exceed the limit or colors shift toward yellow. A new lamp restores brightness and color balance. Once done, clean or swap the air filter. Clogged filters reduce cooling and shorten lamp life. Reseat HDMI and power connectors, then test with another source and cable. This isolates the projector versus source. Make sure the fan spins. If not, thermal shutdowns will recur. Finish by running a factory reset to remove corrupted settings. Remember to note any custom calibration first. Once complete, check for and apply firmware updates using USB or the network because updates fix bugs and compatibility issues. If problems persist, record error codes, take clear photos of the lamp, vents, and PCB labels, and contact Optoma support with that evidence. This speeds diagnosis. One key troubleshooting tip. If the projector powers off after a minute, suspect thermal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.